Welcome back guys to another video. This is Raja. In this video we are going to look at the stock FSLY FSLY. We are going to look at this stock as a sell at this price level or as a buy or a hold. Depending upon the situation we will look at some puts or calls. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. So a little bit history on this stock. It was added to the tracker on the website back in 7/7 when it was trading around the price range of 87.51, and it was closed around when it was trading around 78.12 because it hit the stop loss at $80.51. So it posted almost like 10% loss when we closed from the tracker, but since the 87 it almost rallied 30% before it came down, but one day it was crashing down, so it gave up all the gains plus some more. Then it posted almost 10% gain, so it got closed out from the tracker. So that is the reason, like when you have a stop loss, when you hit a stop loss, you want to exit and move on to a next stock and wait for the stocks to consolidate and offer you another entry point. So that is the reason, like the stop loss is a stop loss. So when you hit the stop loss, just do not ask why, just sell out and move on to a next stock. So let's look at its chart real quick and see where it hit the stop loss and how was the run up, and let's see that whether it's going to offer any entry point for long or short. And you're looking at the weekly setting for FSLY. I like the weekly settings because it reduces a lot of noise. So this stock, like now, the original entry point is right here around May. It rallied very nicely. Then it consolidated a little bit upwards. Then it's moved now really nicely. So it's offered an entry point around here finally, and it's rallied almost 31% since then. Then it's crashing down on the other day with a heavier volume, and it's almost like 40% off from its high now. So that's history now. So I believe this stock is now a sell and ready, offering a shorting position from this price point onwards. The stock might now go down a little bit further, so it might now give you an option to do a shorting or put options for the stock. So let's look at why it is giving a shorting or put options. So it's running into the 10-week moving average resistance. So it found support right here, and the following week it came down. It tried to regain this 10-week moving average, then it could not able to now go through. Then it closed in red for the week. Then this week it's tried to regain, and again it ran into resistance at the level. So that is the reason I believe it's offering a shorting or put option position at this price level. So let's look at a little bit more detail what is the entry range for this short position. So I do not have a tracker yet to set up for the shorting position. I will do it over the weekend and I will put the stock in there. But until then, the minimum selling price would be 79.34. So if you want to short this guy, the minimum would be 79.34 and the maximum shorting would be 77.75. And any reason if the stock rallies from this point onwards and when it hits $83, you may want to close the position and get out. So the minimum buying price is the starting price is 79.34, maximum is 77.75, and the stop loss is around 83.30. So shorting is not for everybody. It's very tricky. You have to be really fast. So if you don't know what the hell is all about, do not even touch it. Just do a long, and you'll be happy with other stocks. But if you want to look at some shorting, you can. This is a favorable entry. But if the stocks rallies to $83 for any reason, you may want to close your position and get out. So as far as the option is concerned, you can look at some puts, which is like October 1 first week. Relatively, we are looking at 4 weeks from now, or 4 to 6 weeks, or 8 weeks. So it came down quite a little bit. So I will be looking at this 75 put. So that is reasonable. It might go like $4 to $5 is very reasonable to go down. So that's what I will start with. But if you're more aggressive, you can go below that. But very well, the stock may be now finding support at 63 price level, and after that, it might try to rally if things goes bottomed out. but as of now, I will start with the 75, and if you guys are more aggressive, you can start with a little lower and a little longer term, like instead of October, you can look at December or January, but it's up to you guys. But I would definitely start with October 75 put. So again guys, this is offering a shorting entry point, and the minimum price would be 79.34 and the maximum sell price would be 77.75, and the stop loss is around $83.30. And thank you for watching this quick video. Please check out the website. Once I get the tracker set up, I'll put it in the description link so you guys can check it out anytime. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. And also please check out all our social media sites. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great night.